Hey there buddy, Campfire Guitar Heroes, it's Dean again.
And once again, I'm going to make you guess the song before I teach it to you. But the twist is, the lyrics are going to be different. I've just picked up this random magazine and I'm going to play the melody and I'm going to sing the lyrics to an article in this magazine. You need to guess the song. But I'll give you a tip, I reckon it's pretty easy this week. Let's get started. Of retail therapy and scrumptious dining to rejuvenate your mind and body. Look your best and feel fantastic. Discover sovereign place, town center, Paul Macquarie's new shopping destination. Okay, that song is of course Careless Whisper by the legendary George Michael. Now the best thing about this song, it's only the 4 chords, the same 4 chords, and I'm playing it on an E minor. And remember, yeah, I'm a left-hand guitar player playing on a right-hand strum guitar, so the chord patterns are upside down to the majority of you. I put them on the screen there, don't worry, you can just put your fingers in the right place and play along. And remember, I also do a free song sheet, the link is below. Now, let's get back to those chords, E minor. And of course the variation is an E minor 7 where you take your pointer finger off that E, A, D string, off the D string, 2nd fret. So it sounds like this. Then we move to an A minor and we do an A minor 7th variant as well, like this. Then you can go to a C, a full C chord, but I prefer the C major 7 because it's only 2 fingers as well. And on the C major 7, you may choose to pull your pointer finger on and off as well, just to add that variation. Sounds like this. And then the trickiest chord of them all out of these 4 is the B minor, which is the bar on the 2nd fret, using the A minor bar shape, slide it up 2 frets. Let's do a full circle, E minor, A minor, C major 7, just have fun with it. Just that little run on the B minor is I'm just playing with my pinky finger, taking it off the G string, right? Really cool chord progression. Now, did I tell you about the new YouTube Guitar Channel Challenge? Right, help this channel become the first guitar channel to reach 10 million subscribers. That's right, 10 million. This is how many I've got right now at the time of recording. Not far to go now, folks, so you know what to do. Just hit the button there and help me get to 10 million subscribers. Now, shall I have a go at singing this song properly? Maybe I'll do a partial playthrough. I know I'm going to get a copyright strike from YouTube, which means, of course, no ad revenue for this forever. But hey, them's the breaks, that's the way it goes. Anyway, let's have a go at the partial playthrough. I feel so unsure. Hey folks, if this sort of music is your thing on guitar, then you'll definitely want to check out my new songbook. It features the best songs from all of my YouTube tutorials in the first year. All of them sound great around a campfire, so check out the link in the description below and you will have an instant song repertoire. Time can never mend the careless whispers of a good friend to the heart and mind. So there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this week's lesson, then be sure to check out this one here. Same format, guess the song, have some fun. See you next week.